How to find Instagram ID with phone number. So the very first step is to open your Instagram app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. So there are actually two steps or two methods. I will teach you the first method first. The first one is by clicking on your three lines found on the upper right corner, and then click on Discover People on the bottommost part. Right here, what you're going to do is to connect your contact to your Instagram. So simply connect and then allow Instagram to connect with your contacts. And then for the second method, you may click again on the three lines found on the upper right corner, click on Settings, and look for Follow and Invite Friends right here under the Instagram settings section. Click on it, click on Follow Contacts, and then simply click on Continue. So again, you need to allow Instagram to access your contact for you to find Instagram ID with phone number. So that's it. That's how you can find Instagram ID with phone number.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.